Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video on any stock. So I'm just gonna break down this NIO stock for you guys. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel because I'm just starting with this channel if you like the information that I'm gonna provide to you guys. Due to the recent price fall, I have noticed that I was looking for some videos, but I couldn't find any, so I just decided to just make one on my own since I couldn't find the information. Okay, so now this is the chart for the NIO stock, and this is the weekly chart. As we can see, NIO stock goes in this formation. Okay, this is the movement of NIO stock. So our recent pullback of the stock was over here, which was at $29.79. Okay, and I want you to watch this video and till the end because you will gain some information out of it. Now, it's always important to make your support lines. Okay, so this was the support for NIO stock. Okay, and I've been in NIO stock since at $8 I got in, and I've been holding the stock ever since because we know how great of a company NIO is. Okay, so this is the support line. Okay, and whenever the stock went up, it came here. Okay, and it held this support. Okay, this is the first time it came here. Second time it went up, came here, it held support. Third time it went up, came back, it held support. Went up, came back, held support. Okay, now we do have some panic sellers due to the news in the in the market of Chinese stock being delisted. It has happened in various time frames. Last year, I believe it was right over here somewhere. It came back, and this is caused by the same news. Okay, and now let me just take this off. So this area over here is a very crucial area for NIO, okay? But also you can see NIO has been forming these higher lows, okay? Look, higher lows. And we can also come to an argument that it is creating a descending triangle, okay? So now it is playing in this manner within this triangle, okay? Right, like that, okay? What we want to see NIO do is we want NIO to just break this resistance. When NIO breaks and is coming really close to that apex, okay? And usually when it's like 70 to 80% there, it starts with that movement. Either it breaks to the upside or downside. And this is a descending triangle. Overall, descending triangles are bearish patterns. But with NIO, I believe that it can go ahead and break to the upside because they have some really good reports and they are expanding, especially with getting into Europe, and they have some more good news where one of the institutions have bought couple of shares. They disclose that information as well. So there's more than likely chance NIO can break to the upside. Okay, now, okay, if NIO, let's say we have some fear in the market or anything happens, okay, NIO has this support for itself right over here. Okay, then it can, if it comes down, which I don't believe it's coming down because momentum is looking good. Okay, if it comes down, this is the support for NIO. Okay, this is going to create a what's it called, a falling wedge, which is again a very bullish pattern. Okay, but you have to note this. Okay, this support line that NIO is making for itself. I'll show you the support line right over here. This is where NIO got its support from. Okay, this is a very important support line, and you can see what it did. Okay, resistance came back, created a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and came over here, resistance came back, broke it. As soon as it broke it, what happened? It just took off. This is the reason, if you guys were in the stock at this time, this is the movement it took. Okay, and now look where it's getting that support from. It came right over here and got this support. So it's not easy to break this area. It will, even if it falls, it's going to fall back to the support and get some momentum building in. Okay, but we are creating a very good candle right now. This is a very good candle creation because this is a bullish candle. Now, if you take all these things in consideration, okay, and let me just take this off, that and that, and also move this really quick. You have to note one thing. If you come to the RSI, okay, I'll show you some really good areas. This RSI over here, okay, right over here. Okay, this is a very crucial level for NIO, this area, 4053 level, because every time you can see NIO has come, bounced, okay, came over here, bounced, came over here, bounced. It just broke under it, but it's over it now. Okay, we can maybe come back, bounce again, go to the upside, because I feel there is a big move coming for NIO. I don't know the time frame exactly, but a move is imminent for NIO. In the maybe couple of weeks or so, there will be a move coming. Okay, and let me go to the daily time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, and also NIO Day is coming, so maybe that could be a big precursor to that big move. I think it's on the December 18th. So keep a watch on that. And if you come over here in the RSI, let me show you something. Where have NIO bounced really? See, when it was right over here, okay, right over here, right over here, here, and here, okay? Look at this. Where is the RSI? Bottomed out, okay? The stochastic RSI is also bottomed out. So you create a line over here. Okay, create a line. Right over there, bottomed out. It's at the support level. Stochastic RSI bottomed out. Create a line. Look at that. Bottomed out. Not that much bottomed out, but stochastic is, and it's at the support level. Really good. This, what I'm trying to tell you guys, these were really good buying opportunities. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this as information and knowledge purposes. See over here, very good opportunity. Okay, it was bottomed out. Okay, this is how you know what the good buying prices are, because every time it comes to this level, these are your buying prices. And I mean, if you haven't noticed, people and investors are not letting NIO drop at the below this level. Okay, or big institutions, NIO is not going below, I would say $29. It's just, I mean, it did come a little bit close, but a lot of investors think that is a very cheap price for NIO, because NIO price, what's it sitting at is not, it's not right in a way. Okay, this is not the correct price for NIO for what it's doing overall. Okay, so let's just take this off. So yes, overall, now that NIO is just playing in this pattern, and just watch out for this next move, because I feel I was trading NIO when it was here, it went up, and then I wrote all this, whatever this is, I was in this pattern all this time. So it came here. Now I believe NIO can do something like, if this breaks this resistance, I believe NIO is going up. Now let's check up in the uh, Fibonacci's. Okay, let's come to the Fibonacci's now, because Fibonacci's have its own little storytelling. If we measure this move, okay, let's measure this move first. Let's do it in the weekly. Okay. Okay. Now, so in the Fibonacci, you can see the 0.786 level, which is at 3163. Every time NIO is coming to this price, this Fibonacci level, it gets a big bounce. big bounce it's getting. Okay, now that is a very crucial level. And now if you come over here and check this, okay, on the daily time frame, now NIO is having a hard time. If you measure this move, breaking the 0.786, it has wicked a little above it, but it's getting some resistance from here. Okay, so if we break the 0.786 level, you know where NIO is going to the 0.618 level, which is at 38.33. So don't be surprised if you see a sudden movement to the upside in the week later this week or next week, because the next target is 0.618 in these Fibonacci levels. Okay, if it breaks it, great, it's going to move to the upside because it has already picked momentum at the moment. Okay, and let me see something else as well. Okay, you can see that over here. And let me just put another Fibonacci level over here. Okay, you can see the 0.786 level. So with this move, it has already broken, it's trying to break it. Okay, and with this move, it's battling it right now. So even whatever, if it breaks it, this is what's going to happen. I'll just lay it out for you. Okay, touching it, if it breaks it, it's going to go first to 37, maybe come retest, back up, and then hit the 0.68 level, and this one is 0.5 level. So its next target is going to be 0.5 level, which is at 38.32. And with this Fibonacci level, it's going to be the 0.618 level. So things are looking really good for NIO right now. And overall, I'm very bullish with NIO. And because in the upcoming weeks, I feel that this resistance level can be broken to the upside. Okay, and if NIO falls, okay, if let's say anything goes in the financial market or some panic news or something like that comes out, then this is the level to watch. Okay, because you can see this resistance support line has always played out perfectly for NIO. Okay, and this support line is also coming into play one more time. And if something, let's say happens, is going to create this falling wedge again, which is again a bullish pattern. Okay, but you can see NIO is trying to climb up now. But yeah, keep an eye on this. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment below what you guys think the upcoming targets can be. But I think if it breaks the 0.7 level, it can go to the 0.618 level. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.